What the fuck? It's not really. Trying to see if this fucking thing works. Do you guys even hear me? Alright, cool. How do you add the fucking chat? Oh, okay, there you go. That's how you do it. Can I put this there? I can't put this there. Huh. Share this in Discord. Is there a delay at all? I have 10. Wonder if there's a delay at all. For charts. Very small. This is very small. Looks and sounds fine. 25 turn rate, chat rate, views, 25. I have ready. I have 10:55, 54, 10:55, 10:55, 56, 10:55, 78, 10:56. 15:58. 5-second delay or so. Small delay, but not a lot. Um, all right, cool. Well, this is pretty cool. Do you guys have to... I'm curious if... Are you guys subscribed to the channel? Type yes if you're subscribed to the channel. Because I think if you, for shits and giggles, if you unsubscribe, I don't think you can use the chat, can you? What happens if you unsubscribe? Could you... Okay, so somebody just said they subscribed. Could you use the chat box before you subscribed? We have to subscribe to chat. Yo, what's up, Freddy? What the fuck does this mean with the crown? What does the crown number 3 mean? Oh, this could be a great fucking way to get subscribers. Oh, top fans. Crown is when we crown number one crown is when we chat more. Oh, this would be a great way, a great way to get more subscribers. So I think we're gonna go this route once I get back from my vacation and we complete the mastermind class, the last 5.0 mastermind class. And I actually think I'm going to open up more spots for the copy trading because I didn't think we'd get over 2,000 applications. It's a little overwhelming how many we received. So, a little overwhelming. I got fucking smoked today. Not a way I want to start Monday with a $5,000 loss. Dude, US30 was all over the map. US30 basically just like market open, filled me, stopped me out. Yeah, it kept playing games with me. Not US30 and NAS100, both of these just kept playing games with me non-stop. I'd get in, and I couldn't even adjust my break even fast enough. I'm like, dude, what the fuck? I just got in this bitch. I'm already down $1,000, and then I stop out. it retraces. All right, cool. We're jumping again for the follow through, and then boom, retraces again. I was like, what the fuck? So I was just like, I was like fighting the market today, pissed off. I was like, yep, not a great day. Not a great day. I'm gonna take a picture of this to be like, yo, at one point, so we've got 30 viewers. So I'm taking a picture of this. I'm saving this because wouldn't that be something at one point, whether it's a year from now, or a couple months from now, or maybe even a couple weeks from now, we look back, and if this thing's up to like 1,000 or 3,000 people, to be like, yo, at one point we only had 28 people in this. Oh shit! Oh man, since I unsubbed and came back, I lost my little crown. That is hilarious. So I could put a user in timeout. Let me see. Let's test this out here for a second. Oh, that's how you do it. My crown is gone too. Son of a bitch. Well, make sure you subscribe. James, did you subscribe? I think you had to subscribe again, right? You can time me out. How long do I time you out for? Put user in timeout. Oh, I can put you in timeout for 10 seconds, 1 minute. That's kind of cool. Read exposed. Fuck me. Do you guys see in the bottom left and then in the middle and then in the bottom right it should say, does it even say, it's like blocking off on this screen. Does it even say like my social media? It should say Instagram FX Dave Trades and then the Twitter FX Dave Trades and then the YouTube. Did you guys even see that? You do see that. Dude, this piece of shit. I thought fucking for sure NAS100 US30 we were gonna get a big because we had this big push. Yo, because the news came out, we had this big monster push up. I was like, all right, well, let's get a big drop down. But nope. Why would we get that? Why would we get that? Big push up. Again, today, yeah, normally Mondays we look for a push to the upside, but in this case we were looking for a nice drop back down. But oh well, it's just that's it. Yeah, I'm not gonna fucking sit around. Oh my god, these guys are calling. All right. Hey, give me a second here. Let me see if I can get this. You guys still hear me okay? Let's see if I can get this web camera set up too while we're at it. Let's see here. If I do this trading chart, I think my chart just went away, didn't it? So my chart's gone. Okay. And then if I put it back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-second delay. Okay. It's a 5-second delay. I'm gonna do that again actually. I'm gonna time it. Boom. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a 5-second delay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. It's a 5-second delay. That's not bad. I don't think that's horrible. I mean, 5 seconds is 5 seconds, but I don't think there's any way to get away from 5 seconds. I don't think I think all those other guys streaming on YouTube is still a 5-second delay if I'm not mistaken. So, hey, John Pierce joined the Mastermind 5.0. What's up, John? I don't know if you're in here, but appreciate it. It's going to be the best class we've ever had, and it will be the last class for the year. So we'll be done with that class. Like I said, after that class, that's it. Well, I'm glad this is working pretty nice. Concurrent viewers. How do I refresh this? Refresh this page. 35. Refresh page. 71 views. That's 35. Concurrent viewers. This is 35. That's just 37. Does it show does it show you guys how many viewers are watching this right now? Does it show you guys how many on your end? What does it show? But what's the number? I guess my question is. So you guys have 37. Hmm. So you guys have 37. Why does that show 30? The fuck is chat rate 3? The chat rate of the stream at the most recent available time. I don't know what the fuck that means. The chat rate. 3 chats a minute, maybe? What if you guys like this? Where the fuck is it? Oh, hit a like. If you haven't hit a like, I want to see how that works. Everyone hit a like if you haven't. Let's see how that pops up. Like. No, not the heart. I don't think the heart. I think you actually hit the like. What the fuck? Why the refresh page? This one guy on Twitter basically said how like forex trading is the worst and futures trading is the best. Well, you know what? I'm making a video tonight talking about the opposite, how futures trading is the worst and forex is the best. I don't think people really understand this, the Ponzi scheme and scam that goes on with futures trading and all these marketers and gurus. Like that's how they're all making. That's how everyone's making money. They're making money off you failing. It's oh, you failed your account, no big deal. Here's a discount code. Buy another one. Oh, you failed that one. Buy another one. Oh, you failed that one. Buy another one. Oh, you failed. Buy another one. So futures trading is the biggest scam out of them all. The biggest scam. Futures trading is the biggest scam out of them all. I'm about to make this YouTube video, and options trading isn't bad, but you need to have a lot of capital for it. You need to have a lot of money for options trading. My opinion, like I said, forex, you could trade, you could trade forex with a little $100 if you want to, $100, $300. You literally can come trading. You can come start trading NAS100 with like $300 to $500 to your name and start making money. And then any money you make, the problem with futures trading is everything's so like fucking like regulated and monitored. So like any fucking dollar, any money you make with futures trading, it's reported instantly to the government. I'm not going to get to the whole topic and trying to incriminate myself, but with forex, I can make money on US30 NAS100, and there's ways I could withdraw it where it's 100% mine, like 100% mine. Like I don't have to pay a fucking thing with taxes. And it's not rocket science. I mean, shit, there's Bitcoin ATMs all over the place. So you make money, say you make money with US30, make $500, you can then withdraw that Bitcoin, right? Because when you withdraw, you're withdrawing a Bitcoin. You can send it to a Bitcoin ATM and then just boom, go to that ATM and then withdraw your $500 right then and there. Like, what the fuck? It's a no-brainer. Like, who wouldn't want that? Who wouldn't want to be able to go to the Bitcoin ATM? Like, oh, I made $500 today trading gold, US30, NAS100, US dollar CAD, US dollar JPY, EURUSD. Now I'm going to withdraw my hard-earned money, right? And fuck you to the government, fuck you to taxes, you know. So I wouldn't trust ChatGPT, but again, like I said, people can do what they want, but I just, like I said, I would stay. Dude, I tried futures trading with, well, not tried futures. I've done futures trading with both real money and um, fucking the funded account. Dude, I passed Apex in like one fucking trade. And then like, okay, so you pay $50 for the funded account, but then you gotta pay more money for the live account. And all in all, next thing you know, you got like 200, $250 into everything. I'm like, what the fuck? And then, they make you jump through hoops for your payouts and just, yeah, I was like, no, this is this is bullshit. It's a fucking scam. There's people that get rejected all the time. Dude, I lost 5 grand a day. So I lost my ass on US30 and NAS100. Dude, I recovered a little bit with US30, but just fucking peanuts, dude. Oh my god, I was just like, yo. Oh, like I said, there's people that make a lot of money off affiliate commission with fucking futures. Look, let's call a spade a spade. Anybody sharing their link to a prop firm or a broker is getting some sort of kickback. It is what it is. It's business, right? The difference is, right? If I'm sharing a link to the broker I'm using, it's very simple. If you make money, I make money. You place a trade, you make a profit, right? That's it. But I think you're a pretty low scum, bottom of the barrel piece of shit if you're sharing a link nonstop to a funded account that's betting on people to fail. Like, you're constantly pumping a link to people knowing that they're going to buy it and fail, buy it and fail, buy it and fail. Like, you're not going to, you will pass it here and there, but you will never get a fucking payout to cover the loss that you've had. Even gold didn't do dick today. It's a range on gold. Shit. Do you recommend using a VPN to get access to certain platforms? Yeah, you can use the VPN for a lot of stuff. Yeah, you use VPN for that. Bro, it's already 11:30. Fuck, day's going by fast. All right, well, I'm glad we were able to test this. I appreciate it. So I'm gonna stop streaming here on OBS and see if it cuts it off for the rest of everything. But thank you for doing this and trying out with me. You will not be able to reconnect your